Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you the fix of this problem. Nvidia display settings are not available. So how to do this? I have a fix for this and I will tell you step by step of how to do this, so make sure you stick along till the end of this video so you won't miss out any step regarding this solution. So how to do this? Let's get started. In order to do this, close this and then press Windows plus R exactly at the same time. Once you do this, it will open this run interface. Just type msconfig in it and click OK. Then click on services and then click on this checkbox which says hide all Microsoft services. Just check this and it will hide all the Microsoft services, so you won't have to scroll forever and it will be easy to find the Nvidia setting. Now once you do this, scroll down a bit until you find Nvidia Display Container LS. Once you do this, just make sure the box is checked. As you can see, this is unchecked, so that's why the problem is occurring. Just check this box and then click apply and then OK, and your PC will send you a notification to restart. Make sure you click on restart. Do not click on exit without restart and it will mess up your solution. Just click on restart, and once your computer boots up again, your problem should be solved. And if your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.